Ever wondered why some websites and online businesses thrive while others seem to get lost in the vast digital ocean? The answer often lies in a strong online presence. But what does it take to build such a presence? It's about creating engaging, keyword-rich content, optimizing images, and curating professional video content. It's about branding with AssignMeYourTasks.com. Imagine a world where your online business isn't just surviving but thriving. That's what Sarah, the owner of a successful online clothing store, experienced. Before using AssignMeYourTasks.com, my online store was just another nameless entity in the e-commerce world. But now, I've seen a significant increase in traffic and sales. My website stands out, it's unique, it's engaging, and it's driving success. And Sarah isn't alone. John, a tech entrepreneur, shares a similar story. As a startup, we struggled to make our mark online. AssignMeYourTasks.com transformed our online presence. Our website now has engaging content, optimized images, and professional videos that resonate with our audience. Our online visibility has skyrocketed. These are just glimpses of the success stories that AssignMeYourTasks.com has been a part of. But it's not just about the success stories, it's about the journey, the process, the transformation that each client experiences. It's about understanding your brand and creating an online presence that truly reflects it. Now imagine what AssignMeYourTasks.com can do for you. Think about the potential, the opportunities, the success that awaits. It's time to take that leap, to take your online presence to the next level. It's time to choose AssignMeYourTasks.com. Don't just exist online, thrive online. Let your brand shine. Let your voice be heard. Let your online presence be felt. Stop blending into the background and start standing out. Welcome to the world of AssignMeYourTasks.com. Welcome to success.